Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Zubair and in today's video we will be installing and configuring DNS, DHCP and Reverse DNS Lookup on Windows Server 2022 step by step. This video is ideal for anyone learning networking, preparing for certifications or setting up a lab in VMware. So let's jump right in. Here's a quick overview of the lab setup we will be using. For virtualization, I am using VMware One Windows Server 2022 VM already joined to a domain and running Active Directory. One Windows 11 client VM, domain name server22.local and server IP 192.168.248.128 and the DHCP IP range 192.168.248.128 to 192.168.248.254. Let's begin by installing the DNS and DHCP role on our server. First of all, open Server Manager, click on Add Roles and Features, click Next, choose role-based or feature-based installation, click on Next, select your local server, click Next. In role list, check both DNS server and DHCP server. Click Add Features, click on Next, again Next, again Next, and click on Install. This may take few minutes. Once it's done, click Close. Now the installation is succeed. So click on Close. Now let's configure the DNS server. Go to Tools, click on DNS, expand your server name, right click on Forward Lookup Zone, click on New Zone, click on Next, select the primary zone and click on Next. Again click on Next. Enter the zone name. I am using server 22. Click on Next, leave the defaults and finish the wizard. Now let's create an record. Right click on zone, click on new host. In the name section, I am using server and the IP address 192.168.248.128. Click on add host, click on OK. DNS forward zone is now configured and ready. Close DNS manager. Next, we will configure the DHCP server. Go to Tools, click on DHCP, click on here, expand IPv4, right click on IPv4, click on New Scope, click on Next, name the scope. I will name it My Server. Click on Next, set the IP range. My starting IP is 192.168.248.128 192.168 and the end IP is 192.168.248.254. Subnet mask will autofill. Leave it as. Click Next. Again click Next. Again click Next. Again click Next. Next. Skip the router default gateway for now. Click on Next. On the DNS page, enter the DNS server IP. My server IP is 192.168.248.128. Click on Add and click on Next. And again click on Next. Complete the wizard and activate the scope. Click on Next and click on Finish. If prompted, authorize the DHCP server. If not, go back to the server manager, click on flag icon and complete DNS configuration from there. Now let's set up reverse DNS which maps IP address back to the host name. For this, go to Tools, click on DNS, right click on Reverse Lookup Zone. Click on New Zone, click on Next, select the primary zone and click on Next. Again Next, select the IPv4 Reverse Lookup Zone. Click on Next. Enter the network ID. In my case, my network ID is 192.168.248.0. Click on Next. Keep the defaults and click on Next and Finish. Now create a PTR record manually. Right click inside your new zone. Click on New PTR. The host IP is 128. Host name is server22.local. Click on OK. Now the reverse zone is ready and IP 192.168.248.128 maps back to the host name server22.local. Now let's switch to the Windows 11 client and test everything. Open command prompt. And run this command. This will release IP address and now run this command. This will request a new IP address from the DHCP server. Now run ipconfig. Here you can verify that the client receive an IP address from the DHCP scope along with the DNS server information. Now test forward lookup. For forward lookup, enter this command. You should see 192.168.248.128. No, test reverse lookup. To test reverse lookup, follow this command. You should see server22.local. All the components are working perfectly: DHCP, DNS and reverse DNS. That's it for today's lab session. We successfully installed and configured DNS server with a forward lookup zone, DHCP server with an active IP range, a reverse DNS lookup zone with PTR record, verify everything using ipconfig and nslookup. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on Windows Server networking and visualization. If you got questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. This is Zubair. See you in the next video.